I knew that my family and I would be coming to the Bahamas to help out. While we'd be traveling from place to place, country to country, and making memories together, I knew that we wanted to find places that are in need and people to be loved on. Nassau was going to be our first stop. Then Hurricane Dorian hit. I remember a friend had asked me after Dorian hit if that made us rethink the Bahamas, but it was quite the complete opposite. I couldn't help but think more about the people of the Abacos. We got in touch with some people in Manowar Key, and we made it there on January 7th. Hurricane Dorian set on this place for almost 2 days, I think, and just sat here and ripped through this island and all the islands around it. And it was absolutely horrible. On Manowar Key, there were 3 churches here, all leveled, houses gone, boats turned upside down in the water and thrown on the shore everywhere. I couldn't imagine seeing what it was right after it hit. When I got here, it looked like it had just hit yesterday. I've been working with some volunteers that have been here since November, and also others that just shown up like us. We've been able to remove debris from the homes, get the houses ready for contractors to come and rebuild on, if they're rebuildable. There is plenty of room for helping hands here, as well as anywhere around here. I've been able to meet the locals here and get to know them and pray with so many different people. I feel like through this storm happening, God has really shown up, telling them I'm real and showing them just what Jesus' love really looks like. Giving people hope after them losing everything and showing them the love of Jesus. It's an extra special thing. Just reminding people how great his love is, showing them a glimpse of his grace and mercy.